And welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I'm your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho. Let's do it. It's our meteorology segment. We're starting out with the jet streams of the Western world. So there are the jet streams. It's the 250 hectopascal winds. Tripled up jet stream over the North Atlantic there. As well as a powerful anticyclone here over the English Channel, really. The English Channel and the North Sea. Next. Oh, and some very, very cold air being funneled into the U.S. We'll get to it. Next, the surface winds. They're the surface winds of the Western world. Next, the surface winds of the East. There you go. Shout out to our viewers from this side of the planet. Some very odd ridges here going on in the Northwest Pacific, south of the Aleutian Islands and south of the Kamchatka Peninsula. Some weird-looking counterclockwise rotating low pressures. Also a strong low pressure here rotating clockwise, as they do in the southern hemisphere north of New Zealand. Here are the jets of the east. Highly concentrated jet stream there over the northern Pacific Ocean. The jet stream blowing backwards over the central Pacific. Although not all that strong of a signal there, it is blowing east to west. Next, your temperature anomaly forecast for the U.S. Keep in mind, units here are in Celsius degrees. We've got a little cold air headed our way. We'll be in one of the coldest anomaly zones there. We'll be like 16 degrees Celsius below normal there. That's a 72-hour GFS temperature anomaly forecast for the lower 48. Some wild swings in temperature. Also a strong low here about to form over Louisiana. That's a 72-hour GFS model precipitation and pressure forecast. And some additional snow about to happen here in places like Iowa and Missouri. Next, your European snow depth forecast. So there's where we expect snow to be at 12 noon Eastern time on Sunday. Charlotte expect to see some snow, as well as northern Georgia there. Check it out. Most of western North Carolina going to have some pretty decent snow totals. And we'll just slowly advance this. Again, this is the European snow depth forecast. You can go look at it yourself on windy.com. They've got a great mobile app you may want to check out. So Saturday, some snow coming to Iowa and Missouri. All the way down into Arkansas. Oklahoma will get some snow, according to the European forecast. Also Tennessee, some heavy snow coming there. And once again, there's where we expect things to be at 12 noon on Sunday, January 16th. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county's lit up, just click it. Some winter storm warnings showing up there in pink. Next, your NASA Goes Lightning Mapper. And most of the lightning here showing up in the southern hemisphere, as it is indeed summer down there. Yeah, pressures are lower in summertime because of a thing called temperature. Yeah, temperature. Temperature, pressure, relative humidity, they're all related, folks. You can calculate one if you have the other two. It's just one of those physics things. Anyway, here's the real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org. Quite a bit of lightning here. And you can see the active cells where they're located. No terrestrial lightning in the U.S., it looks like at the moment. By the way, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Thanks to all of our Twitch followers. Please tell your friends and foes about the channel. Please host us. If you're a bigger channel, we need your assistance getting the content onto screens. We need your support. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. If you're only viewing the videos on BitChute, make sure you check them out on YouTube as well. You're missing 90% of the content if you don't watch on YouTube. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers for putting up with the pathetic censorship over the past several years. Thanks to the SMASH team. If you'd like to support the channel, if you like the videos and you'd like to see them continue to exist and be publicly visible, become a member of the SMASH team. We replaced Patreon with something superior, our own subscription service website. So check that out. Gold and silver members will get to see all of that content. And there's also a gold annual paid up level. Today's featured product is the Do Not Pole Vault the Caldera products. Do not pole vault the Caldera, folks. No matter how bad things seem, our best days are ahead of us. So please, don't pole vault the Caldera. To quote Winston Churchill, if you're going through hell, keep going. It's a public service message from smAsho.com. It's got our YouTube channel on there at the top and our homepage, smAsho.com, on the bottom. Welcome to the Neo-Renaissance. And we implore you to please do not pole vault the Caldera. It could be unhealthful, and we need the views. Next, the water vapor map here over the Pacific Ocean. So the water vapor map is very definitive, folks. If your Doppler radar isn't telling you what you need to know about the way a system is going to move, break out the water vapor map, part of the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. It's super good. Check out all that dry air blasting through Texas, and out of Arizona. Next, your radar.weather.gov map. We'll zoom out for a quick moment here to see all of the 50 states. And there is the North Shore. We'll focus on the lower 48 for the rest of the video. Some minor snow showers here moving across Pennsylvania. Here's a shortwave radiation map. Shortwave radiation map at 3.9 nanometers shows you clouds and fog at nighttime when it's too dark to see them with a visible satellite. And here's the water vapor map for the lower 48. Some dry air there stretching all the way from New Mexico to Florida. Some moisture about to creep its way across Montana. You can see it there, especially on the leeward side of the Rockies in western Montana. Clouds forming as a result of a pressure drop. Anyway, here's your recap. It's the lower 48 radar at radar.weather.gov. Here's a shortwave radiation map. And there's the water vapor. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the SMASH News Network, least busted name in news.